Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we got this Coolway ceiling fan, 48 inch. I got this fan 2 years ago from a unit renovation. It was sitting on the front veranda. I think it's been sitting there for like a few days, because the blades are a bit saggy, and it's a bit rusted too, and the bearings are a bit noisy as well. And this thing has a bad capacitor as well. And this fan was dated in 2010 of August. And yeah, it's also a 3-blade wooden blade as well. It did come with the when I got this fan, the mounting bracket was sitting with it, but I forgot to grab it, so unfortunately I don't have the bracket for it, which sucks. But now it's not on a controller or anything, because there's really no point having this thing on a controller because the capacitor's bad. So but anyway, I'm gonna turn it on. Yeah, as you can see, it has a bad capacitor. It's pretty slow. Well, very slow, I should say. The speed it's giving it at the moment is more like a medium speed. And it does have a bit of a motor issue as well. I think half of the windings are damaged or something, because it makes a pretty loud buzz. Or it could be the canopy, but makes clicky sounds as well. Anyway, I'm gonna turn it off. I was meant to film this fan since I first started my channel. I was meant to film this since then, but through then I've gotten more cooler fans, so but I pretty much filmed all of them. Well, I still got a few, but yeah. Has a really good spin down. So I could, like when I buy my own house, I could put this thing outside or in a kitchen, have 2 fans in the kitchen, but yeah, I'm still deciding. Anyway, it's stopped now, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.